Hola everyone! Allow me to introduce to you a Korean product which can help strengthen your scalp. Plus, it has a soothing effect kapag ginamit mo ito. So, I know, alamin nyo that I've been very vocal about me trying to regrow my hair dahil nga na-damage siya sa kakakulay at kakariban. And part dun sa damage na nagawa ng kakakulay at kakariban sa aking hair ay ang nasira din ng aking scalp. That is why it results to hair loss. Grabe yung paglalagas ng aking buhok. So, part sa aking hair care journey na i-regrow at i-repair ang aking hair back to its healthy era ay ang malasan or kung kaya mawala ang hair loss na na-experience ko. So, with the help of this product, later ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang resulta. At mag-insert din ako ng clip kung saan, before ko ito ginamit, gaano karami ang nakukuha kong buhok or gaano kadami yung hair loss na nangyayari sa akin everyday. So, I'm talking about this product, a Korean brand which claims to helps give your hair volume and reduce hair loss. Yun talaga ang kailangan ko. And it also helps strengthen scalp, plus it has a soothing effect. And it can relieve heat of the scalp. So, perfect for my need during this time, during my hair care journey. Let's check kung ano ang result ng paggamit ko dito for a week now. So, this is my hair. So, hanggang dito na yung paghaba niya. Ito na yung natural color. And then, dito yung dry at saka damaged na part ng aking buhok. And this one naman ay ginamit ko para i-treat yung scalp ko so that malasan na ang paglalagas ng aking buhok. So, let's check using this brush. Mayroon pa din akong nakuha, pero iilan na lang. So, this one, can you see? I have one here. So, wala na. Ito na lang. So, very effective ang product na to. I'm telling you me. So, are you looking for a legit and effective product na makatulong sa iyong hair loss or paglalagas ng iyong buhok? You should try this one. Ako, 1 week ko pa lang siyang ginamit, pero nakita ko na kaagad yung result.